Yeah. During the night, we lost power in the apartment, so we presumed there was a power cut. I went to get up for work the next morning and looked out the window, and all the cars were submerged in water. And the fire brigade came to the door, knocked on the door, and said that we couldn't get out of the building because the water was up to the second floor. So we were advised to stay in the building, and then they brought water in by a raft to give everybody water. And eventually at 4 o'clock in the afternoon we got evacuated out of the building and told that obviously, you know, it's unsafe, you better go in somewhere else. So we were put up in a hotel by the council for a night.